Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time of watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl. And for those who are subscribed to my YouTube channel, I say may God bless you all. So guys, today's video is all about this adorable wig. See you on my next video. Bye. So guys, this is the bundle I'm going to be wearing, and this is how I sew my pleasure. I use pin to hold it round, and this is how I put my needle through. So I continue sewing it round like this. So just keep sewing it. And be careful here. And this is the finishing. And this is how I sew my wig. This is the beginning. So just putting my needle through the hair to the cap. Do this from edge to edge. And the color was so cool. I really love it. It's not too harsh. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share with your friends. And if today is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is very important to me. And please guys, always watch my video from start to end. Don't skip. So to get the watching hour I'm looking for, please. So you can see there, I'm still sewing it from side to side. Look at that. Was just dancing, you know. So anyway, I was so happy doing this for myself. Oh my God. The music was just everything anyway. I really love the music. I'm a happy girl. I play too much. Yeah. So this is the end of the week. So I'm just trying to sew the both together, the closure and the hair. So that is it, guys. It is very easy. I know it's difficult, but you can make it easy for yourself. So this is the finishing. So I was thinking my camera was recording when I stretched it, but it wasn't recording. Sorry for that, guys. Yeah. So this is it. So this is after I have stretched it. The color is so beautiful. Wow. So guys, I'm about to trim the cap away from that part, as in from the closure part. So that is it. So this is me without makeup. Wow. Wow, look at that. So So guys, what do you think? You can see I'm trying to make everything work perfectly. So please help me by subscribing and watch my video from starting to the end to get that watching hour I'm looking for. Thanks so much for supporting me. May God bless you all for being there for me. Thanks for watching my videos. May God bless you all. Bye.